Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a super useful but often overlooked option, reduce white point, directly to the control center on your iPhone. If your screen sometimes feels too bright and strains your eyes, this feature will really help you soften those harsh lights and protect your vision. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss any new tutorials I post. Let's begin by opening the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the control center, the next step is to tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Or simply press and hold an empty area in the control center to enter edit mode. This lets you add or remove different shortcuts from the control center. When you're in edit mode, tap Add Control at the bottom of the screen. This will open a menu with lots of options you can add. Scroll down to the Vision Accessibility section. Find the Reduce White Point option and tap it. If you can't find it, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type Reduce White Point. Once you add it, you can drag it to your preferred position in the control center. Now, every time you swipe down from the top right corner, you'll see the Reduce White Point option, and you'll be able to toggle it on or off with a single tap. This will help you quickly reduce the intensity of bright colors on your screen and ease eye strain. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.